Marcela, welcome back to our channel. Well, some days ago I posted a photo on Instagram, maybe you saw it. It was presenting our baby, our new baby in this family, and some of you wanted to see him, so I'm going to show him. His name is Benji. And here is our little baby. He's so cute. Look at him. We have him like from 1 month ago, I think, or 3 weeks ago, and we are absolutely in love with him. Let us know in the comments down below if you love him as well. He's so cute.
Yeehaw, I'm a cowboy.
Okay guys, in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. From today we're going to have a series of videos. Every now and then we're going to do videos with my husband doing the hairstyles, and you will see how easy it could be to share some time and do some hairstyles on your little girls.
Hi, my name is Oscar. Today we are going to do a very simple hairstyle.
My dad used to do this hairstyle on me when I was in kindy, and I used to ask for it every day. So we thought it would be fun to recreate it for our first video.
Let's start.
We are going to divide the hair in the middle, and this is the first try, and we try to measure from the nose. It didn't work, so now the little kid is going to help us, and after this a million try, it's done. So I'm just going to finish. We are going to comb the hair now. So now we are going to make a division from the crown to the ear from one side, and we try to get help from the kid. Now we have to do the same thing in the other side, and she's happily going to help us. We are going to grab one of the sections of the hair and we start to comb it properly. We pick an elastic band, and in order to get the ponytail firm, we have to wrap the ponytail many times. We are going to do the same in the other side. We are going to grab the ponytail and hold it until it's tight enough. Very hard. Now we are going to divide the hair into 3 sections. Equally divided. Okay, this is not the second time. Okay, something like that. Now we are going to do a regular braid. I'm pulling a little bit her hair, so you have to get your hands a little bit closer to the head. Okay, to finish we are going to wrapping up the hair with an elastic band. We are going to do the same steps on the other side. After wrapping the hair 99 times, I think we did it. Now we are going to decorate the beautiful hairstyle with a clip. It hurts a little bit, but she will be okay. Okay, now second try, we are going to try and put the clips properly. And this is the last step, and we're done. It's lovely, this hairstyle. You have to try it, the girls will love it.
We hope you liked this video.
If you like more videos from me, please give us a thumbs up.
Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and if you want to see more videos and more photos of more hairstyles, make sure you check out our website. See you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!